just passing by. She screams in the dark, scurries away, like a thief in the night, like it's playing a play. A shadow on the wall, a blur on the floor. Does it know it's unwelcome? Does it crave something more? Oh, tiny Houdini, escaping my trap. You're small but you're mighty, a master of lapse. Mouse in her room, what's your deal, little critter? Do you dream of cheese or just scatter and skitter? Mouse in her room, with your whiskers so sly. Are you plotting a heist or just passing by? Did you write your own story? Did you pick this life? Scurrying corners, dodging broomstick strife. Do you long for adventure, or a calm to call home? Or is the thrill of the chase why you love to roam?